Yesterday, what we have discussed in our previous session, what concepts that we have covered,
Where and or
where order by, where class,
yes.
order by class. These classes only we have covered, right?
Yeah.
1 minute. Okay, fine. Hmm. Till now, we have discussed the create class, create method, create command, and insert. Create is a DDL method, and insert is a DML method. Okay, and also we discussed select method. Okay, why we need to use the select method? Why select query? Why we need to use the select query command? That command
To fetch details.
to fetch the details from our table, right?
Yes.
Okay, actually, to fetch the details from our database, we can fetch the details in n number of ways. By using the select, we can fetch complete details from the tables, and we can fetch exactly some columns from that particular table, and we can also select the some rows only. Apart from selecting all the rows, we can also select the some specified rows also, right? Okay, tell me, if I want to select specified columns, then how we need to write the command? Select column name,
Some column name
column
from
name
table.
from table. That only, right? If you want to fetch the specified rows from a table, then that means if you run this command, select column name from table, all the details from that particular column uh, will has to be fetched, right? So what we need to write to fetch specified rows in that particular column or in that particular row in that particular table.
Column number.
Hello, actually, wait, I will show you. Go to SSMS. Okay, now use execute, fine, then select star from table name is student. Okay, we get all these details from first row to 10th row. Fine, first row to 10th row we have provided all the details. If I write like this, we can fetch all the details from the particular table. Okay, if I write like select name from student, then we will get the name column. Here I just need only first row data and second row data. Then how we can write that one? I just need first row and second row, and apart from these two rows, I don't need any rows here. Then what
Where
command
is
I need to
limit?
write? Ma?
Limit. Limit.
Then okay, fine. If I need sixth and seventh row, specified, I need specified rows. Yesterday we have discussed that one. Which we are not yesterday we didn't print all the rows in that particular column and all the rows in that particular table. We also
Where ID equals to
where
ID equals to.
yeah, that means by using the var class we can print the specified rows, right?
Yes.
Select, select. What we need to write? If we need star, then star from student, then
Where ID equals to.
where s
Yes
number
number equals to
equal I
6.
need 6 or okay. If I place 6, then I will get the
Sixth row details.
6th row details only. Okay, here I write like where S number equal to 6. This is a condition, right? S
Yes, sir.
number equal to 6 is a condition. By using this condition, we can print the rows. And what is this thing equal to? We call this one as we call this one as
Assignment.
operators, right? Assignment operator. Okay, fine. Operator. By using the operators, we can write the condition. A combination of the operators is called as a condition when you are going to use the select star from student where condition. Okay. How many types of operators are there in SQL? You know the basic operators. Okay. Basic operators like equal to, it is used to print the exact data, means if that particular condition you have mentioned here, this S number when it equals to 6, then only that particular data or whose S number is 6, that particular row will going to be selected. Okay, if I use greater than, if I write like S number greater than 6, then whose rows are greater than 6, those rows will going to be displayed. If I use less than or equal to, oh sorry, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, okay fine. And we also write this one as not equal to. What is not equal to? Here if I write this one like this, not, then what will happen?
6 కాకుండా మిగతావన్నీ ప్రింట్ అవుతాయి సార్.
Yeah, all rows will going to be print, but here, yeah, except sixth only, right? Where S number is 6, that row is not selected here, that no, that row is not fetched here. Okay, it is not going to be displayed here because we use not equal to operator. Okay, apart from this we have between and like and in also. These are the new operators. Okay, between means based on certain range, based on certain range. We have a range from lower limit to upper limit. From that particular limit we will get the values. Okay, if we write between 6 to 8, we will get the values in between of 6th number to 8th number. Okay, like that. And like, okay, like search for a pattern. Okay, in, we can explain this one. I can to specify uh, multiple possible values for a column. Okay, fine. These are the new operators between like and in. Between is very easy. Between and in is, so we need to discuss like in more detail because it takes somewhat effort. Okay, fine. Discuss this one first. Then we can also discuss the like in and between. Okay, like here we have written the like operator for search for a pattern like that, right? Why we need to use the like operator? Here we can specifically write S number equal to 6, or if I search for the name, we can mention the name of that particular student. We can easily mention that one name of the particular student like that. In some cases, okay, sir, here what we will going to get means, then whenever the data meets name, okay, in name wherever the Charan is there, that particular row will going to be displayed, means first row and sixth one, this one first 6 and 7 only, right? 3 rows only will going to display, right?
Yes.
3 rows. But in that particular table, with the name of the Charan Teja is also there. When you think like in a class, okay, you are a student of one particular class. In that particular class, with that particular name, maximum might be 2 to 3 people are there. Okay, if I simply write Charan, okay, then we will get the 3 people name. Then what we need to do? We need to give the surname. Okay, if I mention surname, then we will get the exactly one person details, right? In that case, as a class teacher of your class, I'm not able to remember your surnames also, right? I just remember your names as it is. Okay, but apart from your names, I am not able to remember your surnames, last name, first name. I'm not able to remember that one. I just know your name only. Okay, Charan. So when I what I need a details of the student name with Charan. Whoever the name Charan Sai, Charan Teja, Sai Charan Teja, whatever it may be, if that particular person has name Charan with whatever suffix and whatever prefix has to be printed like that. In those cases, I can use the like pattern. Okay, it will match. It will check that one. Okay, see how it will look like. Okay, if I write student where name like, I just going to show you one example that only. Okay, I will explain that one in detail. Hmm. Here what we get, here what we get, guys, output only you can say. I can explain that query.
Charan.
Ah, in that name column, wherever we got the name with Charan, either it is a capital letters, either it is small letters, either it has a suffix with Teja, then also that data will going to be print, right? That only, right? Okay. Now
Yes.
we can discuss this one in detail. What are the types of like and what are the patterns that we need to discuss? Everything we can discuss. The like operator operator is used in a where class to search the specified pattern. Okay, when you are going to use you guys are very familiar with about the Instagram and YouTube and Google, right? In Google, if you need any data, okay, if you want to know about the Virat Kohli, if you want to know about the Rohit Sharma, then you just click Rohit Sharma, otherwise Gurnath Rohit Sharma. Okay, whatever the data that you will enter about Rohit Sharma will going to be displayed. Okay, like that only it will going to be displayed. Here, what in a search bar, in that particular search bar, user will enter either Rohit, either Rohit Sharma, either Gurnath Rohit Sharma, either ODI captain, whatever it may be. If the data mentioned in the search bar is related to the Rohit Sharma, then it will going to be displayed, right? Like that only, like operator will going to be performed. We don't need to mention, user don't need to mention exact data in the search bar in the filter. If the data, if the data given by the user matches the any pattern in a database, in that case the data from the database will going to be displayed. Okay, specified pattern in a column. Okay, actually in like operator, we have the wild operators. We call that one as a wild characters. Okay, wild caught characters. Some characters are there. We can discuss that one in detail. Wild caught characters. Caught characters. Okay. Wildcard characters means it is a substitution for one or more characters in a string. Like I have a string name with Charan Teja. Okay, Charan Teja. As a class teacher, I am not able to remember the full name of Charan Teja. I just remember the Charan only. Okay. Now I need here if I want to know the actually in database his name will going to store as a Charan Teja only. I just remember the Charan only, and after Charan there is a suffix called as a Teja. I need to substitute this Teja with some other character. Those characters are called as a wildcard characters. These wildcard characters is used to substitute one or more characters in a string. Like if I use percentage here, okay, if I use percentage here, that means first of all it checks the Charan, and after that this percentage symbol will tell if any suffix added to the Charan, those details will going to be displayed. Okay, like that. I can explain these things in detail. Okay. Wildcard characters, right? Just remember the meaning. Meaning only you can remember. I can type the meaning also. It is a it is used to substitute one or more characters in a string. Okay, here if you see this one, here percentage will going to substitute the value Teja. Okay, that means it is Charan Teja is a string, and Charan Teja is a combination of 10 characters. Even it is a string, it is a combination of characters. Here percentage will going to substitute the 4 character value which is a Teja. Okay, here that's the reason why I have mentioned it. It is used to substitute one or more characters in a string. Okay, as like as percentage, we have another wild characters also. We can discuss that one. Okay, symbol, and description. Hmm. Symbol, description. We can discuss the multiple symbols in the like cat. Okay, like method. Okay, we use percentage. Tell me what is a percentage? There, percentage. Now only we have discussed the meaning of the percentage. It represents the
Substitute.
it represents the 0 or more characters. Okay, characters. Okay, see here in this line, if I write like this Charan percentage, then the names with the name, the column name, the row, the value in a column with Charan and suffix of Charan will going to display. That's the reason why either this percentage will represents the 0 character. In some cases, the person name is also a Charan itself. Okay, and in some cases the person name is also a also have the suffix of Teja, Sai, like that. So in those scenarios, that percentage will represent the 0 and more characters. Okay, clear. Now another wild character. This character is, okay, this one, underscore. Okay, this is underscore. This character represents a single character. Okay, it just represent only one characters. Just simply represents a single character. Okay, character. It just simply those underscore will represent the single character. Okay, write this one as like that. We can also implement this one in a SSMS. Okay, what is this symbol? I just open the capital bracket and close the capital bracket. It will represent the. It will represent the. What happened? It will represent the. It represents any single character within the brackets. Okay, means in that bracket if I mention yes a b, okay, if I mention yes a c, then the name starts with the yes, the value in that particular column starts with the yes a and c will going to be visible. Okay, I can explain this one in detail. And second one, you see, where is those? Yeah. Why this much lag? Fine. Power symbol here, right? Mhm. This one. It will represent the any characters, but not in the brackets. Okay, it will represent any character, not in the given brackets. Just write the meanings only. We can do that one in practical. Okay, represents any character. I can write character as cat, not in the brackets. Okay, fine. And after that, hyphen. Here see this one. Second one is a underscore and this one is a hyphen. Okay. Hyphen represents the range of the variable. In that particular range, we can going to print the values. Represents any single character within the specified range. Okay. Till now we will discuss this one, and after that, if you have any wildcard characters, then we can discuss that one in detail. Okay. First, we can use the percentage symbol. Okay. Come to here, SSMS here. Okay. First, see the table. What are the values that we have in a table? Why? Well, this thing. Hmm. Okay, fine. We have these values in a table. Okay, these are we have this type of values. Now, what is a query means? Where is the symbol? Query one. Okay, I want to print or return all the students, that name ends with A or AN. Okay. Here see like this. What I have mentioned. I want to print all the student names that all the students that name ends with AN. Okay. I want to print this one. See. If I want to print all the student names, I need to write select star from students. Now I need to write the condition where 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 name only we have to check, right? Like like how it look like the name which ends with the an, those names only going to be displayed. Okay, whose names an. At the end we need an. Then starting we can click the percentage symbol. This percentage symbol will substitute the some other characters, either from C, either from, okay, it is from A to Z, whatever it may be. It is a combination of characters, that percentage symbol. But after this percentage symbol, okay, this percentage symbol will take some characters, and at the end we have compulsory an. Okay, search this one. Okay, execute. What we will get?
Sir,
We will
screen share.
in share అవ్వట్లేదా? What happened? Remember persons? Is it
అవుతుంది సార్ అవుతుంది సార్
అవుతుంది సార్.
అవుతుంది సార్
here? See the output. What we will get? What we will get?
N AN ended names.
Okay. Whose name ends with the an? Those names will be, those names has been printed. Okay. If I write like that, I, then tell me.
I ended names.
The name,
Ends with the I, sir.
yeah, Sai and Tejashwani only displayed here. Okay. Here this percentage symbol in our first row, this percentage symbol will substitute with in the
Any
first row
character.
S and A, right? Here Sai is
Yes,
there,
sir.
I have mentioned. So remaining characters has been substituted by this percentage symbol.
Percentage.
When it comes to the Tejashwini, I have mentioned the last character I, and this percentage character will substitute the remaining all the characters in the
Character.
rest of the characters in the Tejashwini. Okay, that only, right? If I want to write
Yes,
like
sir.
that, I have remembered only some characters, but those characters are not from starting order and those are not from the ending. I just remember those data at the middle. Okay, are the middle or not? Those characters are not from the. I just remember the A letter. Okay, means in that table, whenever I see that table, I just remember the A. Apart from that, I didn't remember anything. Okay, but that A will not from the starting and will not from the ending also. Okay, even it may appears at ending and starting, then also this A may also appear in middle also. Okay, in that cases this percentage will represents the starting characters and this percentage will represent the ending of the characters. Okay, here each and every character will have the A. That's why this thing has been displayed here. Here what is the meaning of this line is, we need to print the values with the A character compulsory. When that particular name contains A character, then only I need to print. In those cases I need to write query like this: select star from the students where name like percentage A and percentage. Okay, this only we have. Control C, and here come to for this one. This is the query. Okay, and now we also discuss this one, right? I want to print all the student details whose name has S A letter. Okay, that too these SA letters has come side by side only. Okay, we don't need to mention any other characters in between S and A. How we can write the command? How we can write the query for that one? Percentage SA.
Percentage.
Yes. Then you know that. Okay. This one. If I want to print all the student details whose name has S and A, okay, even wherever it may be, S must be mentioned and A must be mentioned. But S has to come before of the A. Then how we can write?
సార్ ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి, అడగండి సార్.
I want to print the. Wait. I will explain the question again. I want to print the. I want to print the student details whose name has A letters, S and A letters, but S has to come before A. Okay. I want to print all the student details whose name must contain S and A letters. Okay. Either those S and A will come side by side, and either some other characters also will come from S and A, in between S and A also, but S has to come before A. Which query we have to write? Percentage? Percentage AS percentage. If I write like that, then those AS has to come side by side only. See here in this thing, okay, SA. Okay, if I write like this, I didn't get anything because it doesn't have anything. Okay, fine. AS also. Yeah, correct. Clear. This also like that. Okay, fine. I will
Underscore, sir.
no. I will explain that. How we can write is here these things as it is. Control C. Okay. Here what I need to write, I want to print all the student names whose name starts whose name has the S and A letters, wherever it may be. Okay, and these letters S and A may come line by line and may contain some other characters also. Okay, that's the reason why I use the percentage here. Okay, this means if I write like this, before S we
Some
may have
character.
values of some other things, and in between of A and S also we have may other items or may other characters, or we may not have those characters, and after A we have some other characters and may not have some other characters. Okay, if we write like this one. Okay, Swati. Okay, I have a name Swati in my database. Okay, in between S and A, we have a letter W, right? So
Yes,
if I
sir.
want to print like that, then percentage S, percentage W, percentage. In that case, uh, in that case, it will print Swati. If I didn't write, okay, yeah, we can write the A. Okay. In that case, we will get the Swati. If we didn't mention this one, then it will check. Okay, SA combinedly means before SA it will check like before SA is there any characters, and after SA is there any characters, and is S and A has been come side by side or not, it also check. After checking all these conditions, if any row will satisfy that condition, those rows will going to be printed. But in our question we need to print all the student name whose names may contain whose names contain S and A only. It need not to come one after another. Okay, it may contain in the name, that only. It must contain in a name, that only. It need not to come one after another. That's the reason why I need to place percentage. These percentage will substitute the W. Okay, and this percentage will substitute the THI. This percentage will substitute nothing because in our database suffix of s we doesn't have anything. And another thing is s has to come s has to come before a, means if I write like that, okay, a and s, then what will happen, it will check some values, and after that where is a here only, and after a we doesn't get any yes there, right? We doesn't get any yes. That's the reason why
Yes.
Swati if also will not going to be printed. Okay, that is a command. Okay, that is a command for the this above query. Select star from the students where name like this one, you know. Now we can discuss another wild card, which is a underscore. Okay, underscore wild card. Okay, what I have told you, what is a wild card? Wild card will represents the only single character. In our previous topic, percentage will substitute the multiple of the characters, but that particular underscore will represents only single character. Okay, if I write, if I have Sam in my database, okay, if I have Sam in a database, otherwise I have a Charan in my database, then in that case I know that particular, I mean I want to print exactly six character names. Okay, here I have two names in my database, Charan and Charan Teja. What I want is i I want to print exactly six characters name. Okay, the name which has the exact six characters, that particular name value has to print. Okay, select, okay, select star from student where name like, okay, name like underscore six underscores we have to give. Okay, here we have six underscores. First underscore will represent first character of the Charan, second underscore will substitute the h, and third one will represent the a, and fourth one will represent r, and fifth one a, and sixth one n. Okay, we can print this one, we can use this one. Okay, we can get the name Charan, Cherry also. Okay, why Cherry here? Cherry also have the six characters, right? That's the reason why Cherry also has been displayed here. Okay, if I write like this, okay, wait. I just know starting values. Okay, CHA, okay, and CHA with CHA. Okay, I need a six character string, but that particular string must start with the CHA. In that case, we need to mention the suffix, and rest of the characters we don't know. That's the reason why we just mention three underscores. Okay, CHA. Then we get the Charan. If I give CHE, then Cherry we will get. Okay, understand question here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, if I want to actually in my database, I have a some three-letter words. Okay, I have a some four-letter words. I just know the no. Okay, in my database, it I have a six letters, multiple letter words. I need, okay. User needs only four-letter words. Okay, user need only four-letter names with the starting letter of A and with the starting letter of I. Then how we can write?
A underscore
By
I.
sending
With the, I mean, how we can write, I mean, what is the question? I want to print the four character names with the yes and ending a, with the starting letter yes and ending letter I only. How we can write?
Yes, underscore underscore I, sir.
That only. Exactly. Four characters name. Then what we need to write?
Starts with yes.
Yeah. Yes. Underscore underscore I.
I.
Okay, like that we can get. Okay, now you understand the how to use the wildcard underscore, right? You
Yes,
have an
sir.
idea. Okay, clear. Till now, you don't have any doubts, guys?
No, sir.
No, clear. Okay, fine. That's good. I will share you details also. Just note it down. If anyone is not writing, otherwise, if you are writing for reference purpose, just write those things. Okay. Free SQL batch. Yeah. Else batch. And yeah, batch. Guys, if you have any queries, just ask me. Okay, actually, I just got a one doubt. I mean,